You know the science, you know the workouts, but here is the real question. Why is your body still not changing? Because knowledge is not the problem. Execution is the problem. Today I am giving you the exact 12-week roadmap to build muscle and lose fat step by step. Hi, this is Kamal, a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach. I help busy professionals and entrepreneurs build strong, lean bodies without wasting time. If you are ready to start your transformation, contact me or download my app KFit Hub on iOS or Android. Body recomposition is not about 30-day challenge, it's 12-week transformation. Let's break it down. Phase 1. This is foundation phase. It's about becoming stronger. And of course, this is not for beginners. This routine is train 3 to 4 times per week and focus on compound lifts like squats, presses, rows, etc. Eat at maintenance calories. I've already discussed about maintenance calories in my previous videos. If you don't have any idea about maintenance calories, please check that out. Now coming back to foundation phase, in this, I don't recommend any extreme diet, but enough protein intake is mandatory. Hit 1.5 to 2 gram protein per kg body weight. This activates muscle protein synthesis and it prepares your body for transformation. Phase 2. Now the real change begins. Your body is stronger, your metabolism is higher. The goal is burn fat while you're maintaining strength and keep lifting heavy. And now add 8,000 to 10,000 steps daily. Introduce small calorie deficit, about 200 to 300 calories, not more than that, because your protein intake is high, so your body starts using stored fat for energy. This is where recomposition starts. Phase 3. This is where most people fail, but you should not. This is the refinement phase. The goal is maximize fat loss and improve muscle definition. Now during workout, focus more on controlled repetitions and concentrate on perfect contraction, maintain proper form. It improves mind-muscle connection. Keep activity high, stay consistent. You will finally see muscle definition, aesthetic look. If you want this structured plan for you, workouts, diets, accountability, track everything, then you can join my 12-week transformation program. You can download my app KFit Hub. Body recomposition is not fast, but it is sustained. So far, I have done so many informative videos. Please subscribe and support. I will see you in the next video.